bye to everyone. Flying kiss. Shall we start? See, for her reference, I have kept a kind of dry spices in a pink bowl. Now you can see she's picking the same spices and placing it in a bowl. You could see she's separating almond nuts from the plate and placing it in a pink bowl. She's doing joyfully now. She's enjoying it. She's going to complete the sorting of almond nuts. She's picking the final one. Now you could see that she have separated all the almond nuts from the plate. She's clapping her hands that she have completed successfully. Now her dad is teaching to separate the chickpeas from the plate into a bowl. Let's see what she's going to do. I think she recognized that all are chickpeas, so she's transferring the plate into the bowl. She done a great job. Clap your hands. Say bye to everyone.